This is the fire pit I'll be using. It's just a mesh folding fire pit. I used to have fire bowls and things like that, but they were too big, too bulky, taking up too much space. So this tiny thing just lives in the drawer under me. Rock and roll bed. Really easy to set up. Just a few poles and 4 clips. There's the poles. Some of our rubber caps on the end, so there are your feet obviously. Pop the feet in. Really versatile as well. Take it anywhere. Spread those out. 4 top ones in. And the mesh top just rolls up. Lives inside the case. Fold it in half. Open it up. And there's simply just 4 little spring clips. Slide in the end of each pole. And that's it. It looks flimsy, but it isn't. It takes a fair few logs. It's not a problem for it. All I do when I've finished is just rinse the mesh off at the freshwater tap, pack it away. It's good to go for the next trip. So that's it. Nice and easy. It takes minutes to set up, and it does take a surprising amount of weight. Really recommend it. It's only about £10–11 online, and if the mesh goes, that's only about a £5 or something like that, so it's a really good buy. So if your space is of a premium, definitely worth considering this folding mesh fire pit.